Ndebai ekene mono no de police masaka ụbọchị tata mala anyị mma no de police na mbido achọrọ m ikene the TC chairman agụata no de police maka ife a onwelu program ọkpọ ụmụaka secondary school na Anambra steeti weluga or leadership program kamgbe abalị one ma one ka ọ na-akpọgharị ụmụaka maọbụ na-emesifa exposed to certain things ga-enyelụfa aka ịbụ great leaders tomorrow is really encouraging, and some people may not understand how powerful what he's doing right now is. Making leaders of tomorrow is mainly about building their confidence, exposure, and giving them that privilege to explore. So the TC chairman, Dr. Chibeze and Mekeneno de Police. Now, having said that, if I'm cholo, iwetalonde by tata no de Police bụ ife gbasalo onwebugo mgbe nkwulu maka our government schools and how important ọ dị inye serious attention to our secondary schools, our government schools, both nursery, primary, secondary school, nye ha attention because one will never much population in our society, the people that will influence the society tomorrow, larger percentage of them are there. That's one. So obuna enye ha priority, obuna enye ha attention. Obuhamad niile ga-emenwu private schools afford. The larger population in our society, ndo pekata mpe bụ government school kafanaga. And obu na faga na that government school, obu na enekota anya of mana government school, fanoleba wa turn into something else, it will become a problem for the society in the future. So I now bamboka, especially in Anambra now, Governor Professor Charles Oludona, a lot ka our school system they upgraded, ka individuals nyekwa aka. Aye ade kwugide private schools. Private schools are okay. They are doing their best. They are bridging the gap because the government schools may not be enough in some communities. Some communities will get a very big community we can wear one government school. It may not be able to absorb all the people and the proximity about the school they will itaka. So some private schools are not within and bridge the gap, but ha ikwu eziokwu dị na ya bụ that na government schools ka wee better environment because the school ebe na government school they are plan they well mapped out, but most private schools bụ individual business mmadụ ọ bụrụ flat ka ọ nwetara ọnọrụ na-eme ọ bụrụ space ọ bụla ọ na-manage because all personal business, but government schools are well structured. The space and a map out now they well programmed. So all them back the government schools can wear professional teachers because, for instance, in Anambra now, Governor Soludo am aware undergraduates as teachers in our school, or any government at all for that matter, am aware undergraduates manner. Some private schools are able. Ndị just go say secondary school well of na manage some enwelo professional teachers at all, not just few na manage, but that is not the point. I remind the corner that government schools enwelo ka ina for attention. Then if cholo you were the tatabo, if was all those government schools have made serious observation where chopota na most of the government schools enwegasena communities the management are the very bad. Yes, The management na dey very bad because most of those schools na abo abenwa principal, yes, and most of those principal, from observation, I've been to many schools, I've made inquiries. Most of those principals, they don't care about the, um, how that etinye uche n'ife gbasara ime ka school anwa dị mma. Yes, because most of them, fa that I don't care attitude. Actually, them, it's only few principals and the management system before na bambo if na school now all the properly managed, the right kind of discipline is being, promoted in those. Ụfọdụ bụ fapụta onanya. After all, most of the principals are elderly. Most of them ụmụ ha nọkwụzi within secondary school level. Ụfọdụ ụmụ ha agụchago nụọ dị sọpụta na-eme I don't care attitude. After all, ọ bụghị onwe ya. Ebe unu datalụ, unu ekolude, unu chọọ izu ohi, unu maka ọ gbasalụ, unu, some of them as bad as ịbịa na-ebukọ properties dị na school na-ele ma ọ bụ ifo some oche mebie na school, oche dị na school mebie ma some things dị na school maybe instead of ịgba mbọ ka edozie ya fa akpa ya nkụ fa as in or send ụmụ ya jebukọta those things. It's as bad as that. So they don't care. Now, based on this now, all the necessary communities get involved. If you're in a community, we've said it some time ago, if you're in a community, a malo, the schools, some of them are primary and secondary schools, none here. Government facilities is public facility, is our facility, is our property. And the people name attend, Obuguru na Mwaga them attend that place. Mind you, those people name attend those places, if they are not properly taken care of, they will influence your children tomorrow. Osogodo ya wụ na ụmụ gị nọ UK, unless na for ga-atọzi na UK anwafa ama anatazi anata. Mana ọ bụrụ na anafa mesi anata, ndị anwa nọ n'ụlọ, ndị anwa bụ opekata mpe, ndị anwa ifilu na onwere ihe ha bụ, na onwe ha ebe ha so. Ụmụ gị anwa jesi anata, with ife niile avago na UK, na US, na Canada, na nka, fabata, they will have to contend with those people. And those people are larger in number. So odimpa na enyela aka dị sure na those government schools na I visit for once in a while. It's necessary communities bia somewhere like that is the town unions, somewhere a kind of education committee or whatever they will call it. That committee gonna supervise activities of schools in that community, because the school no na community ono for your community, for ụmụaka unu, for ụmụnne unu, for ndị nọ na that community. So ọ bụ na ụmụaka ahụ na-etrain ọfụma, infuse the right kind of life in them, is for the betterment of that community, and by extension the betterment of us all. Our educational system is the only hope of the tomorrow. Ọ bụrụ that na the young ones today, they train her very well today. Some of them are not on a primary school by your cult. Some of them before by secondary school, had to go too bad that teachers had a managing Zifa, so bad like that. So if we feel that no basa high, say ichi oga basa high. So then what comes second call our attention, Biko, town unions, communities, get involved. Malono, the principals on a school, the headmistress or headmaster on a school, so then a bone. Nane pay visit once in a while. Obugodu ne no no. Malonde no sa jeno maloka eba schools nda enwegase na ba kedu ka osiaga. Fanwe need amalo na ga signal faka. If abo the key, the most important aspect of community development, the educational, that school na akwụkwọ. Oya wakanji welo, I started this by appreciating Chibeze, the transition chairman of Aguata local government. Dr. Chibeze is He's doing a lot, on that attention, serious focus on schools. If I were the key to developing a greater tomorrow, whether you like it or not. So biko ka anyị nwa in our own little ways, in that our community, those schools who are very close to us, ka anyị na-enyefa that attention. Ka ụbọchị tata mara anyị mma. Ekene m unu.